My name is Dave Stromfeld. I'm a senior product manager working on Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Reader, and Acrobat.com services, and I've been with Adobe for 10 years. So Acrobat has had some integration with SharePoint for a while, and we've mainly been able to use SharePoint as the central hub of a couple of document workflows within Acrobat, namely shared reviews and forms workflows. So the advantage of that is that as an Acrobat user, you can take a PDF file, you can initiate a shared review, store that in your SharePoint document library, and then all of your end users can access that PDF file using Acrobat or Reader. They can make comments. All of those comments are stored in a central location, and then anybody who participates in that shared review can see each other's comments and everybody can stay on the same page. We also are able to do that with forms workflows as well. So again, as an Acrobat user, you can create a PDF form very easily. You can host that up in a SharePoint document library. All of your participants can use Reader or Acrobat to submit their responses. And then again, all of the responses are stored in a central location so that all of those responses are aggregated and easy to access and work with. In Reader and Acrobat 10, we wanted to take SharePoint integration to the next level. And the way that we wanted to do that was make sure that all of these PDF files that you're storing in your SharePoint document libraries are really you're able to seamlessly work with those when you take them out, work with them, and put them back in. So the way that we accomplish that is that when you click on a PDF file in your SharePoint document library, Acrobat or Reader will prompt you if you want to check that out so that anybody else who's working in that document library knows that you're working on that file. You can work with all of the rich tools within Reader and Acrobat to edit or mark up that file. When you're ready to check it back in, Acrobat will automatically prompt you to check that back in. So again, all of your colleagues know that now that file is available for them to work on. And we also integrate with some other features of SharePoint so that if your SharePoint administrator wants you to enter some document information when you check that file back in, or some version information when you check that file back in, that Acrobat or Reader will automatically prompt you to enter that so that the file you're checking in adheres to all of the rules that your organization might have set up around SharePoint. So the advantages of using PDF and Acrobat and SharePoint together is that SharePoint and PDF are two really great platforms when you're trying to communicate with colleagues and get your projects done across all these boundaries that we all face, these boundaries of distance and time and using different types of software. SharePoint's fantastic because it's a central hub and a lot of organizations are using it as a place to store their document, keep track of their task lists, keep everybody organized. Acrobat and PDF are great because when you have all of your project files in PDF, all the person needs on the other end to consume it is a free Adobe Reader. It looks exactly like you intended. Microsoft project files, Word files, Excel files, everything looks really fantastic and it's really easy to work with once it's in PDF. And when you put the two of these things together, it really accelerates the way that organizations can get their projects done, meet their deadlines, collaborate with all of their colleagues inside and outside the organization, and span all of these different boundaries. So SharePoint and Acrobat and PDF all together are really the best of all possible worlds. They really help you, again, coordinate all your projects and communicate really effectively. And because we've gotten some really great reaction from our customers in this initial integration of Acrobat and PDF and SharePoint, I think you can expect us in the future to keep looking at how we can build on this SharePoint platform to help business users even more effectively get their jobs done.